Good morning YouTube, Aaron Rath here with RatsTesla, and today we are going to do something really fun. I have been wanting to do this for quite some time, a while back, and I'm going to put the link to the video up here. I did a collaboration with our friends over at Fusion Motorsports, and if you remember that video, I put a carbon fiber dash replacement in my car, and today we have a fantastic, freaking awesome new product from Fusion Motorsports that we're going to put in the car. But stick around and let's show you what we're going to put in, what we're replacing, and then let's do it, because this is going to be a lot of fun. Alright, so like I said, we have, you might have just gotten a glimpse there. So I took this out of my car already. We've had the white yoke steering wheel and the white dash in the car for some time now. And today's the day that we get rid of the whiteness in the car. And I don't think I'm going to show you yet what we're putting in. I think I'm going to show you as we put it in, but I have another video on coming up on why I'm taking the yoke out of the car. But for now, let's go out to the garage and let's put in the new stuff that we got from our friends at Fusion Motorsports. Okay, so you can see I've already taken the dash cover out, and I've taken the yoke off. Obviously I did, because you saw that in the last part of the video. But now we're going to get to the installs, and we're going to start with the dash piece. I have everything pulled up and out of the way. Now I just have to get the new dash and get it put in. If you need to know how to take the dash out, I have videos in the past. Go back and look at them. And again, I'll have the link in the description to the videos in the past that I've done for the dashboard. But this one from our friends at Fusion Motorsports is just fantastic. So without further ado, let's see what we're going to put in the Tesla. All right, here it is, the new dashboard from our friends over at Fusion Motorsports. This is a carbon fiber, but it's a new carbon fiber, and we'll see. You could probably see, you can see it right there, and I'm going to get some videos and some pictures at the end to show you in B-roll. But this is what they call Spectre carbon fiber. So this is a more gray and white carbon fiber than a normal black carbon fiber. So it's a lot lighter. It's going to look great in here with this white interior, and it's really going to look great with what I put in place of the yoke. So super easy to install. You're just going to kind of pop it on the back side here, and be careful not to scratch it. Kind of set it in place. And I've already transferred over my lighting that I had in my dash, so it's in there. So you're just gonna kind of get it in place, and then just kind of knock it down. Ooh, look at that. That looks so clean and so sick. Let's go get what we're putting in place of our steering wheel. Okay, time for the reveal. This is what we're putting in the place of our white yoke. It is the Spectre carbon fiber up top, on the bottom, in all the places, and around the edges, with a gray leather on the sides, stitched in gray, and then with a new gray airbag cover. This is just beautiful. This is matching the carbon fiber dash. It is made on a Tesla. I don't know if you can see that, but it is using a Tesla centerpiece. So this is all OEM except for the outside piece. But this is from Fusion Motorsports. And here in just a minute, I'm going to show you what you can order, how you can order. I do have a discount code for you. But let's get this installed. If you've never put an aftermarket on, it's super easy. There's only one way to put it. There's a little notch that you have to line up. And once you get those notches lined up, you just kind of press it into place. And for me, the hard part is seeing the notches because of, yeah, I have reading glasses and I can't quite see. So, but it's really not hard to line up. You're just going to line that notch up. And then once you get it lined up, you'll know. You just kind of work your way on. And then once it's on, it'll seat in there in the middle. And then you're just going to take your bolt and your 10 millimeter socket here and put it into place. You want to be very careful that you do not cross thread this bolt. It's a doozy to put on and off by itself, but if you have it cross threaded, it's even harder. So just kind of get it worked into place and then do it by hand and put your socket on there or your wrench on there, and you're just going to make it as tight as you can, really. And then once you have that done, ooh, that is pretty. Once you have that done, you're going to plug in your red plug on the left side. And then you take your airbag and plug the yellow plug on the right side. And then once it's plugged in, you just line up those three pieces and click them into place. When you honk, you got it in there right. Ooh, but that is pretty. So let's take a look at this and how it looks. All right, so let's take a closer look at this Spectre carbon fiber and how it looks coming through the backside. You got the dash, you got the wheel with a nice gray line on there. Everything looking good. Oh man, this feels good on the hand. And then this dash, just the way it looks right there, man, that is clean. Like I said, I've got my fiber hooked up. We'll get that connected here in just a minute, but I want to look at this from out here and look at how clean that looks together. Man, the coloring in that is just perfect. It's just beautiful. And that steering wheel looks nice. All right, let's go back inside and let's talk about numbers. Okay, installation's complete. Let's talk numbers. So I got the replacement kit, and I'm going to show you on the screen as I talk about it what we're looking at. But you can get this dash in a glossy carbon fiber, a matte carbon fiber, or what I got, the Spectre carbon fiber. The Spectre carbon fiber comes in a few things. You can get the door trim replacement, that's $210. You can get the dashboard replacement, and these are after rebate. And by after rebate, I mean you're going to send in your old items. So the dash or the door trim replacements, if you have a 2022 or newer, is $259 or $209.99 after rebate. The dash is $749.99 or $649.99 after rebate. If you want to keep it, you pay the higher price and keep your original dash. You can get the set if you have both of them. If you have this, if you want to get that, you can get the set for $979.99 or after rebate $829.99. And that's for a Model 3 or a Model Y right now. You can get that in. And then if you want to get the steering wheel is $1,479.99 before rebate or $1,279.99 after rebate. Now, if you want the full setup like I have it, you can get a bundle. That bundle price is $2329.99. And again, all prices and everything on the screen and in the description down below, and I have a link down there. And then if you want it, just send everything back and get it after rebate. It's $1979.99. Now, I do have a discount code. It's RatsTesla. That'll get you $50 off your order. I know it's not a ton, but at least it's $50 off your order, and you can get a great quality product. I can't wait to go take it out here and get some pictures done of this, but it is such a quality product. I absolutely love it. Again, that's from my friends at Fusion Motorsports. Their website's down below. It's FusionMotorsportsUSA.com. If you don't put the USA on there, you end up at a different website. But it's FusionMotorsportsUSA.com. Check out their products. Great customer service. Super fast shipping. I ordered it and got it within 4 days. It comes from California. These guys do fantastic work. Looks absolutely marvelous in the car. A lot of videos coming up. I got some cool new products. I want to talk to you about my yoke and why I took the yoke out and went with the steering wheel. That's coming in a future video, so you don't want to miss any of those videos. So make sure you click the subscribe button down below and the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Drop a like on this video. That helps us out, helps us get our videos in the rotation. And then if you have any comments or questions about this product, drop them down below and I'll get back to you on those as well. Thanks for watching today. As always, get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and do what you got to do. If you want to watch the video about the initial Fusion Motorsports, I'm going to have that right here so you can click on that. And then right over here, that's our subscribe button. Just click that, hit subscribe, and everything's good to go. Thanks for watching today, and we'll catch you in the next video.